Now that your students have finished taking their assessment, you're going to want the opportunity to go back in and look at their results. So when you're ready to do that, you're going to navigate back to the place where you stored your assessment and created it. Once you click on that, it's going to bring you to a screen that looks quite familiar as we've already looked at the setup and the question tabs. Now we're going to be focusing on the grading tab. So in this first screen for grading, you're basically going to be seeing a list of all of your students, and if it was a selected response quiz or a quiz where the grading was done automatically, you'll see that your grades are already pre-populated here. You always have the option to click on the little pencil icon to go in here and override this grade. So if I wanted to round this grade up, I can do that by just typing in the new grade and clicking out of it, and it will save that. You're going to see the number of attempts that each of your students has taken on this assessment and if the student has completed this or not. Any area that has a dash in it means that the student has not yet opened this assessment to begin it. You also are going to see the last date and time that the student has worked on this, as well as how much time was spent interacting with the assessment itself. If at any point you want a few more options, you can click on the three dots on the right-hand side, and this is going to give you the option to start an attempt on behalf of the student, to unsubmit the student's work, or to delete this. If you wanted to unsubmit the student work so that you can send it back to them and they could work on this again, you would click unsubmit, and it's going to change the status from completed to in progress. Once the student had submitted this again, you would end up seeing this temporarily as scores pending while the scores are automatically being graded, and then it would change to being completed once that has been all set up.